there is a rock at.
No, it doesn't want to see it. Can't understand why. It's just been playing up. It's getting a bit old. Struggles to focus. It ought to pick it up easily. But,
Good thing about that is like shots it can get. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's like it takes because it's got like the lens is matte, like it takes in a big thing. So people see it above, then they go, "Oh, it spied on me. It couldn't see you." You're like thinking, you know what I mean? You're like an ant to that when it looks down at someone.
I don't understand. No, totally refusing to focus on it. I've been filming the planes going over. That's the sort of distance I'm looking at normally.
This won't do that. This won't pick up planes. I mean, that plane that came over earlier.
Yeah.
That was very low, wasn't it? I mean, I'm allowed up to a height of 400 feet because above that is where the helicopters and the airplanes operate. And I'm sure that one that came over just now was lower than that. Was lower than that.
He's keeping to the 30.
Yeah.
Well, 50 down there, but I've got you now.
Difference though, kind of when people go, is that thing spying? Is that thing? Let me get rid of that. Let me get rid of all this. I'll get rid of all this gunk off the screen. Bloody thing.
Probably won't see it anyway because the sunlight will be all
Down the shadow.
I think I got it there. Yeah, we're on there.
That wind, look, that wind's
Yeah, it's still holding steady.
yeah. It's got a 3-axis gimbal, so you wouldn't even notice. Carry it, you can handhold it as well. So if you was like there was something here,
you
can handhold it and just walk along with it without it flying, and it works exactly the same way as a gimbal, like a gimbal would work. You know, you can clear them trees at the back there.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like 4.5 miles this will go straight out. But you can't put it over them trees. You're not seeing it, are you? You know what I mean? You've got to keep it in line of sight, as they say. LOS.
Yeah.
Goes further than that, you're not going to see nothing. Even though it's got
Return to home and all that.
yeah, it's got all that. It's got spotlights on the bottom of it as well.
Yeah.
It's got all it's got so much stuff on it. So it knows there's a bush in front of it, so if I fly it forwards...
Yeah, it's warning you.
No, what it will do, it will fly over the bush.
Alright.
That done that itself, do you know what I mean? I didn't
Object
do it.
avoidance,
Yeah, it just knows it's there and it just avoids it. But if you fly it towards yourself, it will come in. What's the best way? Should I go over or around and it'll decide what it wants to do? Tell me about the bees, look. It's a little bullet as well.
So he's quite confident flying that here, and I didn't dare. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.